Hey friends, today we're starting our new unit, which is Unit 7 for Geometry. This unit is really fun. We're gonna be very creative during this. It'll be a couple of weeks units. My slide's not, there we go. All right, so with the new unit, we have new standards. So we're focusing on G3, which is the attributes, and that's what we're gonna focus on first. And then G4, which is the hierarchy. That is the fifth grade part that will build upon G3. So G3 is the attributes, which you have already been doing since the whole entire time you've been in elementary school. You've talked about shapes and what makes a shape look that way. That is attributes. So we'll have two I can statements for this unit. I can identify the attributes of two-dimensional figures, so we're not going into three-dimensional. And then I can classify two-dimensional figures in a hierarchy. So by the end of this unit, you're going to either create a song, a poem, a skit, a comic strip, whatever you want to show your understanding and to teach about polygons and their hierarchy. So today's assignment is going to deal with vocabulary. We need to have a basis of the vocabulary before we start moving in to the other parts of geometry. So here's just a couple of words that you should know. Congruent and adjacent, a polygon and an irregular polygon, parallel, perpendicular, and intersecting, acute, obtuse, and right, isosceles and scalene, and equilateral should be on there as well, and vertex and two-dimensional. So all of these words should look very familiar to you to help with this. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to talk to you about your assignment for today. So you all have this document to work on. It is yours. It includes all the vocabulary that you're going to need for this unit. So I think there's 20 of them. Yes, there's 20 of them. You're not doing the definition for all 20 of them today. So on here, which is for Thursday, you're only going to do numbers 1 through 9. So you will type in the definition, and then you can either find a picture on the internet and copy and paste it, or I know some of these, if you come up here to insert drawing, nope. This one, oh, Google Docs does not allow that. That's only Google Slides. So find you a picture on the internet or on the website I'm about to show you, and then just copy and paste it over here. So the website I want you to use is Math is Fun, the definitions. It's going to look like this when you pull it up. You have two options. You can either type in the word you're looking for, or you can come over here and put the letter. So I know the first thing we're going to look for is a right angle. So I'm going to R and see if I can find a right angle. There's a regular polygon. There's another word I need to find. Here we go, right angle. So when I click on it, it's going to give me the definition, an angle, which is 90 degrees. And then it also gives me a picture. So what you can do is you can highlight your definition. You want to hold down the ALT button. Hold on my Mac. Okay, hold down the ALT button and then click copy. Then come back to your document, click on where you want it, hold down ALT again, and click paste. And then that will put your definition here. So you can do the same thing with the picture. So let's say that, oh, that's cool. Let's say you want to use this picture here. It should let you, yes. So you're going to hit Alt and click, copy image, come back to your document. I'm struggling over my words today, guys. Under illustrations, you want to click, make sure it's flashing, hit Alt again and click, and hit paste. And then voila, your picture is on there. Now you don't have to use the picture that's on this website. If you want to Google you another picture, that is completely up to you. If you would rather type in the definition for here instead of copying and pasting, once again, that's completely up to you. So today's assignment, all you're doing is that you're going and doing numbers 1 through 9, which is the angles the lines, and then all the way up to the triangle. We'll do 10 and through 20 later on in the units, okay? Have fun learning.